Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and everybody loves chaat and everybody loves sandwiches. So I have made a fusion of both and brought the best of two worlds together and made the Sev Puri sandwich. So without any further delay, let's see and let's make this delicious, easy, unique recipe. So to make the Sev Puri sandwich recipe, let's take a mixing bowl and let's add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, followed by 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped tomatoes. And now let's mix everything in. Guys, I'm not adding any salt or any masala right now because otherwise the water will start oozing out of these vegetables. And once mixed, let's keep it aside. And let's take another bowl and let's add the spicy green chutney to it. I'm taking about 1 tablespoon of the spicy green chutney, followed by half tablespoon of the lasun ki chutney, which is garlic chutney, followed by 1 tablespoon of good and imli ki chutney, which is the sweet chutney. Now guys, I'll give the recipes of these chutneys in the description box, so do check it out. I've already posted the video of these chutneys. And now let's give everything a good mix. Once everything is nicely mixed in, let's keep it aside and let's take about 1 large boiled and mashed potatoes. You can also take about 2 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes, and let's add salt as per taste and a large pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder. And now let's mix everything in. And once everything is nicely mixed in, then let's take about 8 puris. The puris which you eat when you have Sev Puri. I've taken the same puris, nice and crisp, nice and fresh. And let's take that potato stuffing and press it gently on top of the puri. So once we have all the potatoes on top of the puris, then let's keep it aside for now. And here I've taken 3 slices of bread. Remember guys to take fresh bread because fresh bread की बात ही कुछ अलग होती है. And now as you can see, I'm applying butter to all the 3 slices, and once we are done with that, then let's take that mixture of the 3 chutneys and apply it on top of all 3 slices. Guys, apply a generous amount but don't go overboard, otherwise our sandwich will become very soggy. And once we are done with that, then let's take the puri on which we had the aloo stuffing and land it on 2 of the slices of bread. Now I'm putting about 4 puris on each of the bread, but if it doesn't fit on your bread, you can always add little less puris. And as you can see, I'm adding the mixture of the onion, tomatoes and capsicum on top of our potatoes, and then adding a little bit of fresh dhania. Now guys, as you can notice, I'm just doing this on 2 of the slices. I'm also going to add some sev on both the slices of bread along with some chaat masala. Now guys, chaat masala tastes absolutely delicious with this sandwich, so do not skip on it. Just add a pinch on each slice. And now I'm going to add a little bit of cheese on one of the slices. I love cheese. I love cheese in this sandwich. If you don't want to add cheese, you can always skip it, but my recommendation is definitely do add some cheese. And now let's take the slice on which we had the cheese and land it very carefully on top of the other slice on which we had our puri and the stuffing. And then let's take the slice on which we had applied the chutneys and land that on top of the cheese slice and press it down very gently. Once we press it down gently, everything will stick together. And now it's time for us to apply some butter on top of this slice. And now it's time for us to cook our bread. So let's take the buttered side bread and place it downwards on top of a pan, and then apply a little bit of butter on the top side as well. And now taking a spatula, I'm going to press the sandwich down very gently. So guys, do this just for about a minute or so. Make sure that your flame is on low all the while, and then once it turns nice and golden brown in color from one side, then turn it upside down. And see guys, both the sides are nice and golden brown in color, so it's time for us to remove it. and let's cut it diagonally. And I know by this time you want to take a bite out of the sandwich, but I'm telling you, just wait for a minute. Let's just do this one last part where I'm taking that chutneys, the mixture of the chutneys that we had prepared. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that mixture on the open side of the sandwich, and then I'm going to sprinkle some sev on top of it. Sev Puri sandwich without sev can't happen, right? So definitely do this step, and our sandwich is ready to devour. So guys, do make this for your friends and your family, and don't forget to let me know what you think about this sandwich, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and take care. Bye bye.